Enjoy over 5,000 square feet of living space in this fabulous home. Love to cook? The gourmet kitchen has been recently renovated with a vast amount of workspace and an open floor plan for dining or entertaining. Upstairs you have plenty of room and 5 roomy bedrooms, an oversized master with a gas fireplace, and a huge master bath. Enjoy all the great benefits of this beautiful, meticulously maintained home with a new roof, newer HVAC, recently remodeled living spaces, and the just finished snazzy screened-in porch with Trex flooring. The basement includes a 6-bedroom, NTC, where the possibilities are endless in this large fully finished walk-up additional living space. The well-manicured lawn has a lovely natural fence line and beautiful landscaping. Outside also features a large stamped concrete patio with a bar and fire pit. There's plenty of off-street parking on the long driveway. If you love a small-town feel, walk the few minutes to downtown Occoquan or enjoy fine French cuisine literally across the street.